Alright, good morning guys. We decided to come see the Horseshoe Bend this morning. We tried yesterday in the middle of the day and it was outrageous the amount of people that were here because it's under construction right now, and so you have to park 2.5 miles away, get on a shuttle bus and be shuttled here, and it was too crazy. So we decided to come this morning and check out these views. Throw a snowball at Daddy. Did Daddy get you? Yes. You get the snow in your hand and you throw it.
It's really just ice, Mom.
Look at him, he's not happy now. Missing all the fun, Hobby Jobby.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, Mom and Dad can stand in bed.
You tell on him.
Ow! Daddy, stop it!
What are you guys eating? Are we celebrating that we got another Airstream? And Daddy's working hard.